This is the Global Macro Edge. This is the Investment Committee meeting for Fotis Trading Academy. This is Wednesday the 9th of September. I'm now going to hand you over to Fotis Papatheophanous. Good morning, Fotis.
Good morning, Mark. Welcome, everyone. Let's go straight to our analysis. This is also my new favorite market, Brazilian Real. This is an ETF. This is an exchange-traded fund that trades like a stock. So this is a fund that invests in the Brazilian Real. If the Brazilian economy is doing well, the currency is moving up. If it is not, it is moving down. Look how this is a weekly chart. Look this move. This is an initiative move. We have a balance here for 2 years, up, down, rotating. And then this year, 2015, given the divergence in monetary policy and the problems with emerging markets, it has been moving down. Again, this is likely to continue. Any move higher, it is an opportunity to sell. Why? Because the Brazilian economy is in deep trouble. It is not doing well. They have structural problems. Inflation is going to move even higher. And I'm not talking about good inflation, okay? I'm talking about a serious problem for the economy. They will have to raise interest rates too much, and I think the currency will be moving down. So please pay attention to this. This is, and again, if you want to avoid next week all the situation with the interest rates, emerging markets, the volatility, try to identify economies that have a structural problem. Turkey, Brazil is the next. So I'm looking to be selling the Brazilian Real. Look at this, similar to Turkey, strong initiative move up. This is USD against Brazilian Real. This is likely to continue. It is also becoming a popular theme in the media. Now this has been picked up by Bloomberg and CNBC, so please pay attention to this. This is likely to continue. If you want to trade the Brazilian weakness in the economy, you don't only need to do this by shorting the currency. You can use the Bovespa, the Brazilian Equity Index. So for all of you that are fans of auction market theory, look, we had a strong move up. Why did we have a strong move up the previous years? It was because we had a strong move in emerging markets, and we were talking about BRICS power. Now that US is changing policy, they are changing their monetary policy, and we are moving to a different environment. Look at this. They have been moving sideways. We have an horizontal development, and I think it is given the fundamentals, we have a very high probability this is going to move down. When are we going to have a catalyst that is going to trigger this? It could be next week when we have a decision from the Fed about the interest rates. This is a monthly chart. This is an important level, the area below 45,000. So if we start moving below this level, I will consider it as a sign of extreme weakness, and I think given what is happening with the Brazilian economy, I think we will move much lower. So this is another opportunity that I have identified based on global macro.